Hello, good afternoon. My name is Lorna Puentes. I'm 57 years of age. I am married. I have two children, ages 34 and 33 years old. At first, I worked in Singapore for 7 years in one employer. And then here in Hong Kong, I worked for 25 years in one employer. My skills are do household works, cooking, marketing, look after the children, assist the elderly, look after the pet with small and medium size. My personality are hardworking, honest, friendly, loving person, kind-hearted. I have an initiative. I'm easy to go with others. I prefer to work alone. In the future, if I find employer, I want in this a couple with have kids, assist the elderly, also with pet, a couple with pet, with small and medium build. Thank you very much, and you can check my profile in Helper Library. Thank you very much.